What if you had to survive a whole week without a smartphone? No apps, no Google Maps, no Instagram, just a flip phone from the early 2000s. I took the challenge, and here's what happened over 7 days. Before we start, I should confess, I am addicted to my smartphone. I use it for work, for social media, for navigation, for everything. So switching to a flip phone felt like cutting off one of my arms. But I committed. 7 days. No excuses. At first, it was fun. The clicking sounds of the keypad, the satisfying snap when you close the phone. It was pure nostalgia. I sent my first T9 text in years, and it took me 3 minutes just to type, "What's up?" My thumbs were already sore, but hey, I felt like I was back in the early 2000s. Reality hit hard. Texting was painfully slow, and I realized how much I rely on instant responses. Friends would send me WhatsApp messages, and I couldn't reply. Even worse, no group chats. It was like being socially invisible. By day 3, the navigation struggle began. No Google Maps. I had to use a paper map. And at one point, I even asked a stranger for directions. The look they gave me when I pulled out a map instead of a phone? Priceless. I felt like an alien in 2024. This was the hardest. No notifications, no memes, no Instagram. My friends were all sharing inside jokes I couldn't see. I felt like I was missing out on everything. FOMO in its purest form. But something interesting also happened. I realized how many times a day I normally reach for my phone without even thinking. Something shifted. I started enjoying the quiet. No constant buzzing, no endless scrolling. I spent more time talking to people face to face. I carried a notebook and actually wrote down my thoughts instead of opening a notes app. It felt refreshing. By day 6, I realized how much mental space I had freed up. Normally, my attention is scattered, checking apps, switching tabs, refreshing feeds. Without that, I focused more deeply. I even slept better because I wasn't scrolling in bed. Day 7. The final day. Honestly, I felt calmer. The world didn't feel as overwhelming, but there was a downside. I also realized how disconnected I had become. Without a smartphone, you're cut off from so many things we now consider essential. Navigation, instant messaging, even work emails. The flip phone was peaceful, but isolating. So what did I learn? Smartphones make life faster, easier, and more connected, but they also make it noisier. A flip phone strips all of that away. You gain peace, but you lose connection. If you want a detox, I actually recommend trying it for a few days. But would I switch permanently? No way. Once you taste convenience, it's hard to go back. Would you survive 7 days with a flip phone? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and stick around. Because next time, I'm taking on an even crazier no-tech experiment. No tech, no problem.